Welcome to a world where healthy living doesn't mean sacrificing the joy of eating. Today, we dive into the universe of the keto diet. This low-carb, high-fat diet has been making waves in the fitness sphere, and for good reason. The principle behind this diet is simple: ketosis. It's a metabolic state where your body, instead of burning glucose, burns fat for energy. Imagine your stored fat being used as fuel, accelerating weight loss. But the benefits of the keto diet extend beyond just weight loss. From improving acne to reducing the risk of certain cancers, from protecting brain function to lowering blood sugar levels, the keto diet is a powerhouse of health benefits. Ready to start your keto journey? The basic rule is simple. Limit your carb intake to less than 50 grams per day and ramp up your fat intake to about 70 to 80% of your calories. And of course, consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on this journey. While your body adapts to this new regime, you might experience symptoms like fatigue, headache, or nausea. Don't worry, these are temporary signs that your body is making the switch from glucose to fat. Remember, the keto diet isn't for everyone. It's important to regularly monitor your blood ketones levels and always prioritize your health. If you're curious about the keto diet and its myriad benefits, delve deeper with the links in the description below. Hit that thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Until next time, here's to a healthier, happier you.